What's trending now? We're captivated by the timeless allure of subtle materials, intricate wood pieces, and the commitment to natural materials. We'll see a resurgence of appreciation for traditional styles. Subtle plaids, herringbones, and houndstooth. These patterns have emerged as prominent choices in fabric and rugs. Included with a timeless charm, these classic motifs lend an air of refinement to your living spaces. Curved corners, subtle arches, and intricate fluting. The embrace of curvaceous case goods in wood furniture is making a comeback in 2024. Furniture has gracefully curved corners, subtle arches, and intricate fluting. These design elements not only redefine the traditional notions of furniture, but also fill interiors with a sense of fluidity and timeless elegance. This new traditional style is updated, but with some time-tested endurance of style. And natural woven materials. Add texture to a space with rattan and other natural woven materials to bring warmth and texture, adding a touch of nature to interiors.